So this is how you can permanently delete your YouTube history. Go on ahead and open up YouTube, and then go to the bottom right corner and then tap on You. Make sure you're at the very base of this You section, and your history should be right in front of you. So tap on View All, and here you will find every single video that you've watched. If you want to delete them, you can go on ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on Clear All Watch History. This will permanently delete any kind of history you have with your account. If you want to stop watch history, if you want to stop it from collecting data of which videos you watch, you can also tap on Pause Watch History, and then you will be good to go. So that's about it. These are the only two options that you can tap on: Clear All or Pause. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.